Hello students, this is the 10th part of concept of continuity of function, an important part. Today I am going to explain the concept of finding continuity of composite functions, some miscellaneous problems. Okay, so important concept students, very important concept. This is continuity of composite functions. How a composite function is said to be continuous. Students, a function f of x is given as some x plus 1, another function g of x is given as some 2x square plus 1. You know how to find f circle g of x function and g circle f of x function. Okay. Sometimes f circle g exists and sometimes g circle f exists, depend upon the domains and ranges. So here what happened, these two are linear, polynomial functions. F of x defined for all real numbers, domain is all real numbers, range also all real numbers. Okay, but g of x is defined for all real numbers, range is closer 1 to infinity only. So what happened, Anna? You can find f circle g as well as g circle f. Okay, how to find f circle g? F circle g of x, by the definition f of g of x I can write. So under condition only, under condition, already we discussed in functions concept, when the composite function exists, when f circle g exists and when g circle f exists. Okay, so f of g of x means what I can 2x square plus 1. So what f of k form, f of k means k plus 1, what I can say 2x square plus 1 plus 1. So what is that? 2x square plus 2. This is the f circle g. Similarly, g circle f also we can find. The question is how to find the continuity of the resulting function g circle f, or continuity of resulting function g circle f, or sometimes f circle g. That's interesting thing. Okay. So we have important theorem, students. F is a function and g is a function. Sometimes g circle f exists, sometimes f circle g circle f also exists. Sometimes f circle g exists, sometimes g circle f exists, sometimes both will exist. Okay. Now what conditions f circle g becomes continuous? F is a function is given with some rule, g is given another rule. You can find g circle f with some conditions. After finding the rule for g circle f, how to find its continuity? Actually, how can you check the continuity of f circle g? So two things should happen, Anna. First of all, actually we want to check the continuity of g circle f at x equal to a. At x equal to a, I want to check the continuity of g circle f. What conditions it happens means, first condition, g function should be continuous at x equal to a. G should be continuous at x equal to a. Should be continuous at x equal to a. One rule. Second rule, f should be continuous at g of a. F should be continuous at g of a, student, at g of a. Then only you can say that f circle g continuous at x equal to a. Okay, we want check the continuity of f circle g at x equal to a. First of all, you want to check the g function is continuous at x equal to a or not. If it is continuous at x equal to a, then you want to check the continuity of f function at g of a, not at a, nana, at g of a. So if it is continuous at g of a, then you can say that f circle g is continuous at x equal to a. So this is the statement and this is the theorem for continuity of composite function. Okay, so clearly here given. So I want to read continuity of composite function. Let g is a continuous function at x equal to a. At x equal to a, it is continuous, and f is continuous at g of a. Then the function f circle g is continuous at x equal to a. Okay. Okay, students. Okay. Once again listen, we want to check the continuity of g circle f circle g function at x equal to m, for example m point. What should do? First of all, we need to check g is continuous or not at x equal to m. One thing. Next we want to check f is continuous or not at g of m. At g of m, if do both happens, then I can say that f circle g continuous at x equal to m. Okay. Listen students, what should I prove now here? Limiting value of f circle g of x is tending to a equal to f circle g of a. If I prove this, then I can say that f circle g is continuous at x equal to a. Understood? Limiting value of f of x where extending to a equal to f of a means what is the meaning of that? F is continuous at x equal to a only, no? That's right. Limiting value of f circle g of x for extending to a is g circle f of a. Then I can say that f circle g function is continuous at x equal to a. Okay. Given g is continuous at x equal to a. What is the meaning of that? Limiting value of g of x at extending to a equal to g of a only. Okay. Now what I am doing, students, listen. Limiting value of f circle g of x where extending to a. I want to find this. Already you know that f is continuous function clearly given here. That's why what I can write, f of limiting value of g of x where extending to a. That is f of g of extending to a is what is that? G of a only. What is the meaning of that? This is nothing but f circle g of a. Okay. Yeah, what is my conclusion, Anna? F circle g is continuous at x equal to a. Okay. Yeah, one example problem. If f of x equal 1 by 1 minus x, then find the point of discontinuity of f circle f of x. Listen students, interesting problem. F circle f of x continuity. F circle g, when it is continuous, first of all g of x should be continuous at x equal to a and f should be continuous at g of a. Then we can say that f circle g is continuous at x equal to a. Okay. What is the meaning of that? First of all, f should be continuous. Where f is continuous, Nana? Every x it is continuous except 1. Except 1, f is continuous. F is discontinuous at x equal to 1, no? That's why f circle f of x also discontinuous at x equal to 1. Okay. That is first thing. That I will find. Yeah. F is discontinuous at x equal to 1 implies f circle f is also discontinuous at x equal to 1. Okay. First of all, I want to find f circle f of x. Already this function discontinued at x equal to a, that we got 1 point. So more points you will get from this rule, f circle f of x rule. So by the definition I can write f of x. This is f of x means 1 by 1 minus x. This is just f of k. F of k means 1 by 1 minus k. 1 by 1 minus k. K means this one only. 1 by 1 minus x. This is 1 by 1 minus x LCM. 1 minus x minus 2. That is equal to 1 minus x by what I can say 1 minus x, okay, minus 1 this one, sorry, 1 get cancelled, we will get minus x, or in another page I can say, right, f circle f of x equal to x minus 1 by x. Clearly you can say that at x equal 0, f circle f of x not defined means at x equal 0, f circle f is not continuous. Implies at x equal to 0, f circle f of x is not defined. Not defined means not continuous at x equal 0 also. Already f is not continuous at x equal 1, f circle f is not continuous at x equal 0, therefore at x equal to 1 comma 0 f circle f is discontinuous. Students, how to check the continuity of this function? First of all, you check the continuity of g of x. After that, you want to check the continuity of g circle f circle g of x. Okay, that is the order. So here also f circle f is given. We want to check the continuity. First of all, I found the discontinuity for at what values of x for f function. After that, I found the discontinuity for f circle f. Okay, our example 2, f of x is equal x plus 1 by x minus 1, g of x equal 1 by x minus 2. Find the point of discontinuity of f circle g of x. We want find point of discontinuity of f circle g of x now. First of all, you want find the point of discontinuity of g of x. One thing. Next, you want find the rule for f circle g of x. From there, you want find its discontinuity. One more important thing is, what point g of x is discontinuity, at that point f should be continuous. Then only you can say these are the required point of discontinuity for the function f circle g of x. Once again, listen students, this is very important. We want find the discontinuity of this function f circle g. First of all, you want find point of discontinuity of g function. Second, you want find the point of discontinuity of f circle g function. What will get, those are the point of discontinuities for f circle g function. But important thing is, some point g function is discontinuous. At those points, f should be continuous. That is important here. Okay. First of all, solution g of x is given as 1 by x minus 2, implies g is not continuous at x equal to 2, but f is continuous at x equal to 2. Observe, x equal to it is continuous, x equal to 1 it is not continuous. Okay, that is not a big problem for us. So we want to find g circle f of x continuity only, no? So you don't want to include that 1. F is not continuous at x equal to 1, but what happened, g is not continuous at x equal to 2. So at 2 f should be continuous, then only you can find g circle f of x continuity. Okay, g is not continuous at x equal to 2, but f is continuous at x equal to 2. Okay. Next, I want to find f circle g of x rule, that is f of g of x. F of g of x means 1 by x minus 2. This is just like f of k. F of k means k plus 1 by k minus 1, k plus 1 by k minus 1. Here 1 plus x minus 2 by x minus 2 divided by 1 minus half x minus 2 by x minus 2. Already in this function 2 is not there, I can cancel 2, because g circle f is not defined x equal to 2, g is not defined x equal to means f circle g also not defined x equal to, that's why I cancelled those two. What I got, x minus 1 by that is 3 minus x. Okay, therefore f circle g is not defined at x equal to 3. Now I want point of discontinuity of f circle g. Point of discontinuity f circle G are one is 3 na, another is already found where is G at 2. So I can say that 3 comma 2 are the point of discontinuous. Very important. So finally what's conclusion na? Given function is discontinuous at x equal to 3 and 2. After finding G circle f, some students will make mistakes na. After finding G circle f, what will they conclude? The f circle G of x only discontinuous at x equal to 3. Not that. First of all, you want to find what point G f circle G of x discontinuous. After that, what point G of x discontinuous. Find those all use the discontinuity of f circle G of x. But important note, student, don't bother about this function. Actually, f function is not continuous at x equal to 1. See here, function is not continuous at x equal to 1. Even though f circle G of x is continuous at x equal to 1 only. Understood? So what happened na, if you want to check the discontinuity of this function. First of all, discontinuity of f circle G of x by using rule you can find. Next you need to find discontinuity of G of x function, that's all. So together values of this gives the discontinuity of f circle G. Okay. So very important model, students, very important. So listen, students, first of all I want to read the problem. F of x have two rules, G of x have two rules. We want to find f of x plus G of x. Not at all easy to find the summation of these two rules. So I will explain through example, students. For example, f of x equal to 2x plus 1 and G of x equal to x plus 3. What is f plus G of x? So directly what I can write, f of x plus G of x, rule of first function is 2x plus 1, rule of second function is x plus 3. So while adding what I got, 3x plus 4. This is the rule for this new function. Directly you can add the rule of f function, rule of g function to find the rule of f plus g function when first function and second function defined for all real numbers. No restriction, no? Here no restriction for x, here no restriction for x. Just f of x is given as 2x plus 1, just g of x is given x plus 3 means what? It is different for all real numbers, this is also different for real. Then directly can add and directly can get the rule for f circle g of x. Sorry, f plus g of x. For example, problem is given like this: f of x equal to x plus 2 for x less than 2, g of x equal to some x for x less than minus 1. Then what is f plus g of x? Directly can't add these two, no. Directly can't say that x plus 2 plus x that is equal to 2x plus 2 is the rule for this function. Not correct. Here okay, but here not correct because their domains are not same. The domains are not same, you can't add. If the domains are same, here all real numbers, all I added. If domains are same, we can add. Domains are not same, we can't add. But how to find the summation, I will show you, students, listen. Yeah, listen. F of x is given as some x plus 2 for x less than 2. G of x is given as some x for x less than minus 1. We want to add these two. The question is, what is f plus g of x? What is the rule for new function? So if these two are same, directly I can add. But now I want to make them are equal, Nana. How I can make? Students, listen. So what first one saying that, this rule saying that your x should be less than 2, all these values. But what this one saying that your x should be less than minus 1, all these values. So that's why what I can write, f of x can be rewrite as x plus 2 for x less than minus 1, x plus 2 minus 1 less than x less than 2. Just I split it into two pieces in f of x. Actually I want the rule for less than 1 for add to g function. G function domain is less than 1. That's why less than 2 divided into two pieces, 0 to minus infinity to minus 1 and minus 1 to 2. That's why less than minus 1 rule and minus 1 to 2. Next, g of x is equal to What is that? X for x less than minus. Now I can add these two rules. So what I can say, f plus g of x is nothing but addition of these two is 2x plus 2 for what values of x? X less than minus 1. So in this way we can add. So if their domains are same, we can add none. If domains are not same, directly we can't add. So here also, in this problem also, actually f plus g of x you want. The domains here, x lesser than or equal to minus 1, lesser than or equal to 1, greater than 0, less than 1, and constant. They are not equal. That two modulus functions are involved. Slowly we want open modulus symbols first. After that we need to add none. I will show you, students. So next page again I want to rewrite f of x first of all. F of x equal to, have two rules, mod of x plus 1 for x lesser than or equal to 0, x for x greater than 0. Students listen, I want open modulus symbol here. So turning point of mod of x plus 1 is minus 1. If x lesser than minus 1, mod of x plus 1 becomes minus of x plus 1. If x greater than minus 1, mod of x plus 1 becomes x plus 1. Just like mod x equal to x if x greater than or equal to 0, mod x equal to x if x less than 0. Because turning point of mod x is 0 only, no? What values of x mod x becomes 0 means that is called turning point. What values of x mod of x plus 1 0 means x equal to minus 1. That's why minus 1 is turning point. Below minus 1, mod of x plus 1 is minus of x plus 1. Above minus 1, mod of x plus 1 is x plus 1. Okay. That's why, so to open modulus here, what I want, below minus 1 and above minus 1. But only given less than 0 given. 0 here, less than 0 given. But I want, what I want, less than minus 1 and greater than minus 1 I want. So less than minus 1 and minus 1 to 0 another. So that's why first of all this x less than 0 is split into two pieces. I will write what are the two pieces here. I will write none. So f of x is rewrite as mod of x plus 1 for x less than minus 1, mod of x plus 1 for minus 1 lesser than x less than or equal to 0 for x greater than 0. Okay. So important student, here you can use include minus 1 or here you can include minus, that is not a big issue, because put equal to minus 1 here 0 only will get, here also 0 only. Here you can include or here, that is not a big issue. If here included means here we need to exclude. Okay. So what I did now, x lesser than or equal to 0, x lesser than or equal to 0 is divided into two pieces, x less than minus 1 and minus 1 to 0. Now I want open modulus. F of x equal to, students, x less than or equal to minus 1 means mod of x plus 1 minus of x plus 1 only. For x lesser than or equal to minus 1. So minus 1 greater than means this is positive inside, that's mod of x only. So x plus 1. For what values of x? Minus 1 less than x lesser than or equal to 0. So for x greater than 0. So I want to write that f of x again here. Rewrite new f of x equal to, so new f of x, what are less than minus 1? Yeah, x lesser than or equal to minus 1, minus 1 less than x lesser than or equal to 0, x greater than 0. Here minus x minus 1, x plus 1, x, observe none here. So yeah, minus x minus 1, okay. So what I did, I opened modulus for f function. Next g function also I want to simplify here only. So listen, g of x is given as mod x plus 1 mod of x minus 2. So critical point for mod x is 0 only. Critical point of mod of x means 2 only. So first of all, what they give, I want to write x lesser than or equal to minus 1, x greater than 1. So first of all I want to open this modulus, students. So I want to take number line minus 1 below the rule is mod x plus 1. To open modulus I want a 0. Where is there? I think less than minus 1, not less than 1 only. Less than 1 means somewhere here 0. Okay, what I did, I want split the x lesser than or equal to 1 as into two pieces. So minus into 0 one piece, 0 to 1 another piece, because 0 to minus into 0 means that is x less than 0, mod of x gives minus x, 0 to 1 mod of x gives x only. That's why this can be written as x less than 0, 0 less than x less than 1. So 0 here not included, here also not included. Somewhere you need to include, here I included. So what happened? Mod x plus 1. Again I want to write mod x plus 1. Okay. So next here also I want this interval also should divide nana, because this turning point of this is 2 only. What this saying that your x is greater than 1, but turning point is 2, no. That's why I want divide that up into two pieces, 1 to 2 and 2 to infinity. I will write that 1 less than x less than 2 and x greater than or equal to 2. What is that? Mod of x minus 2 minus mod of x minus 2. Now I want open modulus, students. Listen, here x less than 0, this becomes minus x only. X greater than 0, this becomes x only. 1 to x less than 2 means inside 1 gives minus, mod of x minus 1 gives minus of x minus 2. Already one minus is there, directly what I can write? Plus x minus 2 I can write. So x greater than 2 means what happened? As it is we will get x mod of x minus 2 equal to x minus 2 only, but here minus is there, should write minus, that is minus x plus 2. I think 2 minus x I can write here. Okay. Now again I want to rewrite g of x here. Student, listen. What is g of x? Once minus x plus 1, once x plus 1, once x minus 2, once 2 minus x. What values of x should write here? For x lesser than or equal to 0, 0 less than x lesser than or equal to 1, 1 less than x less than 2, x greater than or equal to 2. So g of x is splitted. Something happened. Wait. Okay. 2 should write here. Okay. Again f of x I wanted here, students. F of x, what I got, I wanted again. It also have 3 pieces, minus x minus 1, x plus 1 and x. For x lesser than or equal to minus 1, for minus 1 less than x lesser than 0 or equal to 0 and x greater than 0. Students, now we want to add these two. So here also you can't add directly, nana. This is for x lesser than or equal to minus 1. Here no rule which gives x lesser than or minus 1 directly. That's why you can't add this with any one of this, but we can make it. For example, x lesser than or equal to 0 is there, x lesser than or equal to 0, somewhere minus 1 will be. So this rule should be divided into two pieces. For x lesser than or equal to minus 1, minus x plus 1 only. From minus 1 to 0 also, minus x plus 1 to only. That's why what should do, nana? We can split this. I will write again. Wait. Okay, sure. So what I want to mark with red color, this should be splitted. We can't do anything about this function. No need to split. No need to split means I will use yellow color. No need to split that. Again I want to write both. Students, listen. F of x is equal to minus x minus 1 for x lesser than or equal to minus 1. G of x equal to minus x plus 1, actually for x lesser than or equal to 0, x lesser than or equal to 0, minus 1 only. But I want break the interval into interval at minus 1, that what I can say, x lesser than or equal to minus 1 and minus 1 less than x lesser than or equal to 0. This just rule is same. Domain is split into two pieces, man. Just domain is split into two pieces. Why? Now directly you can add this with this. See, lesser than minus 1, less than minus 1 only. Okay. Students, important thing. I am rewriting. Okay. Now, students. Yeah. Next, this is rewrite completed. Minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to minus 1 open. Sorry. Minus 1 to closed 0. Here what happened? 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Minus 1 to 0 already is there here. We can add these two. These two are same. These two are same. What is the meaning of that? No need to split this. No need to modify domain. Directly I wanted that. X plus 1 for minus 1 lesser than x lesser than x. I can add these two directly. I can add these two. What I did, Nana, after splitting the rule of g of x for x lesser than equal to 0 into two pieces, now I can add this with this and this with this. Okay. So these two completed. Now I want to use yellow color for that. So these two completed. First one is completed. Next things we need to split it. Difficult question, student. This is very, very difficult question. Yeah. Next, students, these two completed. Here 3 rules are there. Here 1 rule is there. 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Here we need to split this actually. 0 to infinity actually, that one. 0 to infinity. 0 to 1. 1 to 2 to. This should be split into 3 pieces. What? 0 to 1. 1 to 2, 2 to infinity. Then we will get the result. I will show you, student. Just we need to split this. So how many pieces, Nana? Again I want to write 0 to 1, closed 1 piece. Over 1 to open to another piece. 2 to infinity another piece. Okay. That's why, students, same x for what? 0 less than x lesser than or equal to 1. 1 less than x less than 2. I want to erase this. Okay. For x greater than or equal to 2. Okay. Now again I want to rewrite same things here, students. What is that? X plus 1 for 0 less than x lesser than equal to 1. X minus 2 for 1 less than x less than 2. 2 minus x for x greater than or equal to. Now observe, students, now I can add this rule and this rule same. I can add these two. This rule and this rule same. I can add these two. This rule and this rule are same. I can add this like that. We can add none. That's why you want to make the function into some pieces. Okay. Next page directly I want to write, Nana, f of x plus g of x equal to, students listen, this should be added to this. I want to add in rough minus x minus 1 minus x plus 1. 1 get cancelled, minus 2x. I will write here minus 2x. For what values of x and that one? So same, no? X lesser than or equal to minus 1. Okay. Next, yeah, I want add this with this. So x plus 1 minus x plus 1. X get cancelled, 2. Okay. For what x? Minus 1 to 0. -1 not included, 0 included, -1 to 0, -1 less than x lesser than or equal to 0. Okay students, next I can add this with this. So x plus x, 2x plus 1, next one 2x plus 1, or what x, 0 less than x, 0 less than x lesser than or equal to 1. Okay, now I can add this with this nana for this rule. So 2x minus 2, 2x minus 2. Okay, so 2x minus 2, what, 1 to 2, 1 less than x less than 2. Next I can add this with this, that is x is getting 2 for x greater than or equal to 2. This is the rule for new function students. Very important and difficult problem. What I can say, f plus g of x function rule this one. Yeah, rule completed. What is the question? F of x, g of x, draw the graph of this, from that find the point of discontinuity. So in this class I can't complete none of total problem. Just what I did, I found f of x plus g of x. Next part I will explain how to draw graph and how to find its discontinuity. Okay.